Start with the valve in the inline position where it's open and water's coming out of here. Fire up the pump. That pump's gonna draw water and you're gonna have a ton of water coming out of here and out of that hose. And that is intentional. When you have this open and all the water comes out here, you're flushing the membranes. Any dirty water in there is getting cleared out before you put it into production. And any dirt trapped in the membranes is also getting flushed out. Then after about 60 seconds, maybe 2 minutes, the very start of the job, you can go ahead and close that. Keep an eye on your pressure, make sure that doesn't shoot up to anything crazy. After that, once you close that and you run in at about 125, 130 PSI, then you're in production. You'll start to very quickly see water coming out at DI port. Now, you are filtering water, you're getting pure water. Check your TDS every so often to make sure you're truly getting that zero, because eventually the DI resin gets used up. When you shut down the system, you are going to open up this valve again, and all that water is going to come out.
Pro Tool. J.Racenstein.